Friends, Karnataka state government starts application under free electricity scheme called Griha Jyoti Yojana. In this video, you will get A to Z step-by-step information on online application under the scheme. But before that, first we provide you a latest update about Griha Jyoti Yojana. Then after, you can see the process of online application under the scheme. Update is due to technical error, state government launches a new web page for online application of their guarantees. On the first day of Griha Jyoti registration, nearly 55,000 citizens follow this process and submit their application. Now, if you want to apply online, then you have to click on the link which is in the description box in this video. When you click on this link, this type of web page will be opened up on your screen. On this web page, you have to scroll down and find the section where the description of the online application. Now friends, here they will given the steps for application under the Griha Jyoti scheme. I already read before this video, but you first read the steps as well as other details of the scheme on this web page. Now in the last, you can click on this link for Griha Jyoti official website here. Now another web page will be displayed on your screen just like that. Now on this web page, you have to click on the Griha Jyoti. After clicking, it will redirected you on Griha Jyoti Yojana application form. Now in this form you have to fill the details like, first of all, you have to select your ISKCOM name. From the tab here you can select your ISKCOM name. After that, connection ID and account holder name and account address as per your ISKCOM. After that, you have to select that you are owner or tenant. After that, you have to enter your Aadhaar number, your name as per the Aadhaar number and mobile number. After that, you have to click on the declaration on tick mark in front of I agree, and then you have to fill the security code which is displayed on your screen. At the end, you can click on the submit button. By following this process, you can easily apply under the Griha Jyoti Yojana. Now friend, which is the first step? First step is go to the description of this video and click on the Griha Jyoti Yojana online application link. Before clicking on the description link, you must share this video in WhatsApp to your friends. That's why they will also get step-by-step information for online application. Friends, for latest information about government scheme, please subscribe our channel A to Z Sarkari Yojana. Thank you.